I don't get it. What are they doing? Blowing frickin' bubbles at it? Hey guys, welcome back to Family Life Outdoors. Today we're on another Class A stream in Potter County. I'm really excited because this looks freaking awesome. Really good plunge pools already here right at the start. Some nice deep pockets, just really beautiful back here. It looks really good. There should be some nice brookies in here. I'm really excited to try my new rod today. A couple days ago I fished that other creek and that was the first fish I caught on my fly rod, and it was actually from Walmart. So I promised myself that I wouldn't spend any money on a better fly rod until I proved that I could catch a fish. So I went down to Kettle Creek Tackle in Hammersley Fork, PA, and I got myself one of his custom Kettle Creek Tackle Shop rods. It's a small stream rod. It's called the Riffle T32. It's a 7-foot. And it's a 3 or 4 weight. It feels amazing. I already tried it out today on Kettle Creek, and now we're gonna try it on one of these small streams. I really like the craftsmanship with these. It's very well balanced. I just really like it, and I can't wait to get one of these brookies on it. If you're ever up in the area, be sure to go check him out. He's really knowledgeable. He helped me pick out some good stuff and gave me some really good advice. You can also find him at kettlecreektackleshop.com. All right, guys, so let's see what we can get. Oh, frick! Had him! Oh, come on! Oh, what is going on? I don't get it. I don't understand what the hell is going on. He's eating it. He's spitting it back out. No way. Oh, this is too shallow. Oh, hit the indicator. Well, here we go, guys. Nice little brookie. Beautiful. Let's get him back into the hole he came from. Whew. Oh, I don't know what the hell I just rubbed myself in, but it's itchy. And it smells. All right. Got one. Sweet. What the hell? I don't know how many times they're tapping. Must be doing something wrong. I don't get it. What are they doing? Blowing frickin' bubbles at it? Alright guys, I'm working my way out of here. I keep getting hits, and it's like they hit it and they spit it out, and then I'm also getting a lot of hits on my indicator, which is orange. So I'm switching to a never sink caddis with an orange floaty piece on it. We're gonna see how that does. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. That's what we want to see. Well, as you can see, guys, I made it back to the road. I'll walk back to my truck. So we didn't do too good. We only got that one in the net, and we kept missing them. I don't know what I was doing wrong. If you guys know what I was doing wrong, tell me in the comments. I don't know if it was my indicator or if I'm supposed to be setting the hook faster or something, or I'm not sure, but I lost a lot of fish. I mean, I had a lot of bites and I had a lot on, but I couldn't seem to hook any of them. I'm pretty exhausted. I've been doing a lot of hiking in and out and hiking in general, and I'm just really beat. It only seemed like one fish like that little caddis, never seen caddis, and I just didn't have the energy to keep changing them and trying different stuff. So we got that one in the net, so it's not a total loss. Again, another really beautiful stream. I really like that one. Sounds like it's about to thunderstorm, so I guess it's a good thing I'm getting out of there. If you enjoyed that video, guys, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. That really help us out and help our channel grow. And go check out our other videos from Potter County. Don't forget to go with the flow, and hopefully we'll catch you next time. See you guys.